Hi, I'm Kim A. Miles, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada, and I'm here today to present to you my newest listing at 34 Tiverton Avenue, located in the ever-popular Leslieville area of Toronto. So come on in, let me just show you the main floor. It's really fabulous. It's all open concept, really tall ceilings. We've got maple hardwood floors. This is a 2-bedroom home plus 1 bedroom downstairs. It's a legal duplex, so there is a basement apartment with a separate entrance from the front, which is really quite interesting. We don't see that a lot on this street. Fabulous architectural detailing, so you're going to get light streaming in from the second floor all the way down to this floor, and a really interesting wrought iron grate surround towards the ceiling where there's just also a skylight. Updated kitchen, super deep lot, fenced in. It's really a wonderful home for I want to say a first-time buyer couple planning to have a child potentially, or a single person who can use the basement either as rental income or as storage, or of course a couple. So please come on through. I'm looking forward to meeting you and have a lovely day.